Question 1. In Zayn Kanani's recent 2x2 world record average of 1.13 seconds, which 2x2 was used? Was it A, the Wapo WRM, B, the Chi X-Man Flare, C, the Chi Valk 2M, or D, the YJ MGC Elite? Question 2. When was the Pyraminx first released? Was it A, 1976, B, 1981, C, 1986, or D, 1991? Question 3. What would be a better way of writing the notation L prime R X? Is it A, E, B, E prime, C, M, or D, M prime? Question 4. When did the world record for 4x4 blindfolded single go below double what it is today? A, July 2015, B, September 2014, C, April 2013, or D, December 2010? Question 5. If I were to do a normal solve with no PLL influencing, what are the chances I would get an NB perm, like the 6 cubes below? Is it A, 1 in 18, B, 1 in 36, C, 1 in 72, or D, 1 in 144? Question 6. How many possible combinations are there in a 3x3 cube? Is it A, 6, B, 723,842, C, 89,784,322,784, or D, 43 quintillion, 252 quadrillion, 3 trillion, 274 billion, 489,856,000. Comment down below what you think a good visual representation of the correct answer is. Question 7. What is currently the most popular product on speedcubing.org? Is it A, the YJ MGC 4x4? Is it B, the Moyu RS3M 2020? Is it C, the Chi Warrior S? Or is it D, the Yushin Little Magic 9x9? Question number 8. How many countries are home to current official WCA world record holders? Is it A, 6, B, 8, C, 11, or D, 15? Question 9. What is the all-time most popular non-cubic product on speedcubing.org? Is it A, the Magic Block Game, B, the Chi Timer, C, the YJ Timer, or D, the Gan Pyraminx? And finally, question 10. On February the 19th, 2021, I uploaded a video entitled Can Daniel Solve the ReadyMinx, in which I solved the ReadyMinx in about 18 minutes. What is the current unofficial world record? Is it A, 21.56, B 43.54, C 59.99, or D 129.72?